Now, this video is going to go over the debugging of our Python program, something that we're going to need to make sure that we're able to do. Our computers are not very smart in that they do exactly what they're told to do. And if there's a problem, it is your responsibility to find where the problem is. But the computer will help you with compiling it and telling you kind of what's going on. So for your assignment today, you have a file that's been given to you that's called Turtle Debug. And what you need to do is copy everything. So drag your finger, select everything, and then you're going to do a Control C to copy it from the Google Doc. And you want to bring this in to a Tinker program that you're going to debug. So we're going to go back to Tinker, and you're going to create a new project, and you're going to name it. It has to be named your first name debug. Then you're going to click in on line 1, and you're going to do Control V, and that's going to paste all of your code in, right? And now what we're going to do is we're going to hit play to try to run this code. And you notice it gives us an error. Bad input on line 5. Okay, so let's see what we've got here. Bad input. So it is giving us an error. So let's look at and see where could our errors be. And so we go back to our line here. And so if I'm looking here, what have I got? So I'm going to look through my code to see where my errors could be. And so I'm comparing to my notes. The first thing that I see is this from turtle. It should be a capital T. So I'm going to change that to a capital T. And that's going to give us, and let's see what we've got here. Now I'm going to hit play again. And this is still giving me that it's getting a bad input on line 5. So I can't get, my turtle's not moving, but why is it not moving? So that's, sometimes it'll tell you exactly where your error is. Other times you got to look through each line of code. So from turtle, I have to import turtle. Then the next thing I notice is that my turtle is not, I don't have the open and close parentheses. Let's try this again and see what I've got here. And I'm going to go through and play. There we go. Oh, so there we go. Turtle attribute has no attribute, right? RIGT on line 8. Oh, so I gotta find this RIGT on line 8. Oh, right here. So I can see what's going on with the rest of my code. What you need to do is debug this code to get the turtle to do what it's supposed to do. So you have to work through debugging this. And then what I want you to do is go through and work on your other Python projects to debug them. Make sure that you use your notes and that you're exactly putting in what it should be. Real important is this from turtle, import turtle, capital T here, lowercase t here. Must have the open and close parentheses when you name your turtle. I can already see some other problems in here because my turtle's not turning orange like he's supposed to. So look at what you've got and you'll need to debug your turtle. When you are done with this and this program is working perfectly, you will mark it as done. So I know to go in and look for your code.